Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a recap video of this box of 08-09 Trilogy that I broke. First off, I'll get to the rookie cards first. Darren Helm. There's Vladimir Mahalik. Jesse Winchester, rookie. Matthias Ritola, rookie. These are all numbered out of 999. Sean Matthias, rookie. Derek Brassard. N.C. Selmela. Whatever. Garrett Stafford. And the best one was Claude Giroux. $30 rookie card. High booking price. Alright, now the hits of the box. First off, Frozen in Time, Mr. Hockey himself. Two-way threads of Chris Draper. Jason Spezza. Trilogy honorary swatches. My Ice Scripts card was Peter Stastny. Pretty cool. And my other hits, the three best hits of the box. This guy, Nicky Lidstrom, recently retired. Pretty happy to get his autograph. My young star scripts was Patrick Kane. That's a booking price of $50. Now this card was the best card I've ever pulled out of a box, personally. It's called Trilogy Rivals, and it came in a sleeve. And it was of those players. I think this is a case hit, and I was so fortunate to get the best Trilogy Rivals card there is. I think it's a $150 card. Yeah, I've never pulled anything like that before, so that was pretty amazing. Thanks for watching, and join me again, I don't know, maybe again next time. Take care.